Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique. If you are new to my channel, I upload 1 to 2 videos in a week about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. So if you're not a subscriber already, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment down below. It will really help the growth of my channel. Today, I'm going to continue the series of my Tiffany Co jewelry collection. Today's topic, we're going to talk about my necklaces. If you haven't watched the other videos from this series, I will link them down below so you can go ahead and check them out after this video. So let's just jump right in. I'm going to start with the silver necklace that I have from Tiffany. I will not try on the necklaces. I do have close-up shots of them so you can see them better. The first one that I have is this one. This is in the shape of a bottle in sterling silver. I think this was designed by Elsa Peretti. It's just such a simple necklace. It goes with everything. I think it is 16 inches in length. Most of my Tiffany necklaces are 16 inches. It's beautiful design, however, it is very prone to scratches, as most sterling silver are. Next one, we have this one, which is the onyx and pearl necklace with the tassel. You can't see it because I'm wearing black, so I will show you the close-up shot of this, but it has tassels on the bottom. It's longer. It's probably maybe 30 inches. It has a few pearls in between the onyx and a little bit of silver here. This is, I believe, is from the Gatsby collection, from that movie Great Gatsby. I think it's from the Ziegfeld collection. I love that collection. This one is great to just throw on, you know, white shirts and easy peasy, just like so. I don't have a lot of yellow gold necklaces from Tiffany. This one is one of them. This one is a bow, and also I think 16 inches. Just goes like that. Very, very sweet. It has kind of like a rope design to the bow. Another yellow gold necklace that I have is just this simple chain. I think this is 30 inches from Tiffany. I wanted something long at that time to layers with all my shorter necklaces. It is such a trend to wear a bunch of necklaces at one go, so you definitely need different length. Right now I just have this Victorian fob on it. It's not from Tiffany's, it's just from the Victorian era. So it's an antique. Yep, so just a simple gold chain. Next, I have the Tiffany Co Platinum Diamond by the Yard necklace. I think this is the only Tiffany Co item at the moment that I actually purchased pre-owned. This is one of the first Tiffany Co jewelry that I had. And I purchased it from one of my favorite vintage stores in New York, which is Pippin Vintage. I will link their Instagram down below so you can check them out. But yeah, it was purchased like years ago. I didn't have a lot of pieces from Tiffany's at that time. This might have been maybe my first or my second piece from Tiffany Co. so it was very special. It actually came with a box as well. Yeah, I wore it every day for years. It's just such a beautiful, simple design. Next I have this platinum and diamond necklace. I think this might have been from the Jazz collection. I'm not sure, but I love how simple this guy is, and again it is in the white gold platinum. That seems to be my go-to in terms of my Tiffany pieces, I think, especially necklaces. I really regret it to this day that I didn't buy the earrings to this. Maybe hopefully one day, maybe I'll find it on the pre-owned market. I believe they don't have this style anymore. Last but not least is my newest necklace, which I think was purchased a year or 2 years ago. This one is again in platinum. It's the Tiffany lock in the shape of a heart. It has pave diamonds all over on the front, so it is very sparkly and nice, and it's just plain on the back. My only concern about this one is that because it is not a permanent station for the pendant, it tends to flip a lot and it tends to go on the back side a lot as opposed to the pave side. So that's just one thing that I wish it would stay on this side whenever I wear it. But I still love it nonetheless. I think that is all of my Tiffany necklaces that I have at the moment. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out the other videos from this series. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!